look at my gumball machine. Blue. Yummy.
Whoa, Jason, is that a bubblegum machine?
Yeah.
Can I have one?
Sure. If you want to take it out yourself, go for it.
Thanks, Jason. I got a pink one.
Enjoy.
I'm gonna go play again.
Bye.
Bye. Whoa!
Oh no! Oopsies. My bubblegum machine.
Oh no, Jason! I'm so sorry. Let me fix it.
It can't be fixed.
I can't fix it.
What do we do now?
Don't worry, I'll think of a solution. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Let me see if I can fix it.
I got a solution. Tape. Jason. Tape.
Good idea.
Okay, let me see. Yeah. Yes. Okay, all good now.
I don't think this is gonna work, Alex.
I got a different idea. We can just eat it like this.
No, don't! It's already dirty.
Oh.
Ew.
I think there's one more solution left. I'll be right back, Jason.
Okay. Better be something good.
Hello?
Yes.
I would like to order an enormous bubblegum machine, please.
Okay.
Are you gonna deliver it today?
Yes.
Perfect!
Bye-bye.
Jason, cheer up! I got a present for you.
What do you mean?
The bell! Come on, come with me!
Wow! An enormous bubblegum machine.
It's so big!
Well, let's take it inside.
Definitely. Come on.
Whoa, Alex! Thank you so much.
Hope you enjoy it.
This is the biggest bubblegum machine I've ever seen.
Time to open it. Whoa!
Whoa! Alex, it looks great.
Here are some bubble gums. Go ahead and fill them up.
Alex, this is not enough gumballs.
I'll get some more for you. Don't worry.
Let's already test it. Wow! Blue, yummy! Hope I can get some more gumballs.
I got the gumballs, but first I got a joke for Jason. Let's try it on. Time to joke with Jason. Help, Jason, help! Help! Jason! Help! Help, Jason!
Hey, give me that one!
Help, Jason! Help me! Jason, it was just a joke.
Oh, why didn't you tell me at first?
Look what I got. I got more bubble gum.
Thank you.
Here you go, Jason. Let's take off this costume. Looks like it's time to fill it up.
Wow, Alex, that looks amazing.
Perfect. I love it.
Time to get some bubble gums. Let's go. Woohoo!
Oh, Jason, stop. That's too much.
I'm just having fun, Alex. Let's both take one.
Look what I got. A balloon. I got an idea. I'm gonna go in the balloon. I'm gonna go even more in. Look at me. I am Alex. A balloon. Let's go inside. I don't fit. The balloon is too big. Whoa. I did it. I'm in.
Time to make some selfies.
I'm gonna make a joke with my sister Sarah. 1, 2, boom!
What is that? Wait a second! It's Alex, my brother! Alex, what are you doing? I'm afraid of balloons.
I'm just making a joke.
Well, it was a super fun joke.
Time to get out of the balloon. 1, 2, 3, go! All right.
You got out?
That was fun.
Great, Alex.
Let's go.
Hey everyone, look what I got. I got 1,000 gumballs in here. So cool.
Hey Jason, look what I got.
Huh?
A super balloon.
Wow!
Ready to have some fun?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Whoa! Come on, let's bounce.
Time to get back to making selfies.
Boo!
Wait, I know it's just a joke. Jason, now you're in a balloon? That's so funny.
Yeah!
Time for the next challenge. Hey! Come on. Let's play with the machine. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Just 3 gumballs. It's going way too slow. I'm gonna open it. 1, 2. Open. Much better, but just eat one at a time.
Jason, look what I got. A spider! Woo. Shall we go ahead and scare Alex?
Uh-huh.
Where do we go?
Right behind him.
And by the way, it's remote controlled.
Yeah, it's fake, but Alex doesn't know that.
Let's go, Jason. Okay, Alex is there. Let's start.
Hey, Sarah, can I control it?
Sure.
This is so fun.
He doesn't have a clue.
What? A spider! He wants my gumball! You cannot have it!
Alex, it's not real.
Oh, you're right! Look, they're wheels! It's fake!
Yeah, and here's the remote.
What? Were you guys joking with me?
Yes, we were. We got you, Alex.
I love a funny joke.
Ooh, I'm so hungry. Are you hungry too?
Yes, I'm very hungry. I want something delicious.
Yeah, me too.
I got some super delicious broccoli for Jason and for Alex. But there's one rule. They have to finish everything because it's healthy.
Hey, there's Sarah.
Ah, perfect! She got some food for us.
Here you go, guys. I got you some delicious broccoli. You have to finish it.
Broccoli! I'm scared of broccoli.
Guys, broccoli is really healthy. You have to try it.
I'm scared of healthy food.
It's really good for you guys, believe me.
Okay, Alex, let's give it a try.
Okay, we'll give it a try indeed.
If you eat it, I'll be very proud of you guys.
Oh! It's actually good and healthy.
Yeah!
Amazing, Jason and Alex.
I'm gonna eat more broccoli and make sure you kids eat broccoli as well.
Yay!
Vegetables are good for you.
Yeah, they are.
Today we're going to the pool.
Wait, did you check if they're open today?
I didn't. Let me check now. Hello?
Hi.
Is the pool open today? They're closed, Jason.
Oh, no!
Sorry, Jason. No swimming today.
I can't go to the pool today. Idea! If I can't swim at a pool, then I can swim at my house. Yay! But there's just one problem. There's no water in the pool. I'm gonna fix it. Let's fill it up. Alright, let's fill up the pool. Time to jump in. Whoa! This is so cool. Swimming in a pool in bed. Yay!
What? Jason, what you doing?
Swimming?
Swimming pool in bed? That's not allowed.
Oh, I didn't know that. I'll find another place.
Get this away. Swimming pool in bed.
This seems like a good swimming place. Where can I put the pool? Yep, perfect.
Yeah!
Let's fill it up.
Jason, what are you doing? You cannot swim in the kitchen.
But you said I could swim somewhere else.
Not in the kitchen, please. A pool in the kitchen is not allowed.
Okay, I'll find another place. Time to watch TV. Yes, a swimming video. I want to swim too. Idea! A swimming pool on the couch. Oh yeah, watching TV in the pool. Whoa!
Jason, what are you doing?
Watching TV.
A pool on a sofa? While watching TV? That's not allowed.
Okay, Alex, I'll go somewhere else. Yummy! I love watermelon. Wait a second. This is a great place for a pool. A perfect place for a pool.
Jason, a pool on the dining table?
Yeah?
No more pools in sight. That's it.
Okay.
Go on, let's get out. That's it, Jason. We're gonna go to a pool now.
I thought the pool was closed.
Doesn't matter, we'll find a new one.
Let's go.
All right, get in, Jason.
Okay.
Are you ready to go, Jason?
Yes, but I forgot something. I'll be right back. Yes! Time to go for a swim in the car.
What is Jason now doing? Jason?
Yes?
Another pool in the car! No more pools!
Alex, it was just a joke. Let's go to the real pool.
About time.
La, 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 la. Nice day. Huh? What does this button do? Huh? I was just there. What happened? I think the remote reverses people. What else can I do with this remote? Idea! I'm gonna do a funny dance. Let's click it. I go reverse again. This thing is cool. Yay! This is my friend now.
Wow! Yeah, I won!
Yeah!
Oh, hey Jason, you wanna play? Come on, I got a racing game.
I sure will play.
What is that remote control?
That's nothing.
Alright, let's play. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh yes, I'm winning! I'm actually winning! I won!
Oh, wait.
2, 1, go! I'm losing!
Yes! Yes! Yes!
I lost.
And I won.
Well, good job, Jason. You played very well. Yes.
I'm gonna get some juice.
How did I lose? I always win normally.
I love me some juice. And also, my Jason cup.
Yummy!
What have I done? Wait a minute. This time I cannot spill.
Yummy!
Now to be careful. Time to play my phone.
Jason, are you playing games or are you reading?
Playing games.
Give me the phone. Give it to me right now.
Time to reverse. Ooh, I reversed. Better hide the phone.
Jason, are you playing games or are you reading a book?
Reading the book.
Wow, very good. Keep on going.
Well, not anymore. Time to score.
Easy peasy. Here you go.
I'm not happy with the results. I'm back. And back to score.
Come on, come on. What? You scored! Wow, that was a good goal.
Yes! Now that's the result I want. Playtime! Oh, my leg! My leg!
Jason, what happened?
I hurt my leg!
Oh, should I call an ambulance or something?
No, just hit that button right there!
Hit that button?
Just do it!
Okay.
Now it's playtime!
So, Jason, this was your little secret, wasn't it? A reverse remote control.
Yeah!
If you want to redo something, you can just tell me. You don't need to use this remote.
Okay.
Have fun playing.
Thank you!
I'll take this one.
Goodbye.
Hey guys,
Hey, hi!
man, I'm so bored. What do you guys want to do?
We have no idea. We're bored as well.
Yeah. How about a car race?
Amazing idea!
Oh yeah, that sounds great, Heidi. Let's do it. Let's go.
Time to race! I'm ready!
I'm gonna win. Let's do this.
3, 2, 1, go!
What? Our cars are not working.
How is this possible? Oh no! What happened?
Oh man, no winner.
Today we're having football practice. But where is everyone? Time to make a phone call. Hello?
Yes, hello.
You have football practice. Where is everyone?
Oh no, we completely forgot.
Come right now.
We're on our way.
Oops!
They're always late.
Guys!
What?
We need to go! We have football practice!
I forgot.
Me too! Come on!
Yeah, Ronaldo. See.
Here we go! Yay!
We need to start the training already.
I'm ready.
Finally, you guys are here.
Yay!
Yeah, let's go.
Time to start the warm up. You're gonna pass to each other. Let's go! Amazing!
Get here.
Yes, very good. Guys, it's time for the second challenge. Keep up time. Zidane, you can start.
Cool. Let's do this.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100!
Whoa!
Congratulations!
Zach's turn. Here you go. Good luck.
Go, Zach.
1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Jason's turn. You got this.
Okay,
Let's see.
1, 2. I'll do 2. Nice try, Jason. Aw.
Now Heidi. Good
Go,
luck.
Heidi.
Heidi, let's go.
1, 2. It's okay. I did good. Challenge number 3. Penalties. Team Pink will start. Heidi, you will start.
Here I go. Hope I win.
Oh no! A goal! Good job.
Yes, I won. Yes, yes. I will definitely win. 3, 2, 1.
Oh no! Again! He scored.
Too easy. Here's the ball.
Oopsie! That one was very hard.
Yes, I scored.
Left.
Thank you, Zach. My turn.
Whoa! That one went way too fast. Even the goal fell down. Oopsie!
Yeah. See.
Great! Now we're gonna do a quick lunch break and then we will do a match.
Lunch break.
A well-deserved lunch.
I'm eating noodles. Noodles, my favorite.
And I'm eating healthy fruits.
Okay guys, back to the training. Now it's time for the match. Let's see which team will win. Time to go to your goals.
Come on, Zach.
Here we go.
Ronaldo time. Let's do this.
Time to start. 2, 1, let's go.
Goal!
1, 0. Coming. What's happening now? 1 versus 1.
Oh yeah!
Go. Jason is coming.
Go, Zach!
Oh no, you don't.
Oh,
We did it!
2 versus 1. Here we go.
Whoa!
Good teamwork.
Oh, no.
2 versus 2. It's time for the winning goal. Start. Almost, Jason. Wait. Training time is up. It's a draw.
Good job, guys.
Everyone can go home. Bye, guys.
Bye. Time to play.
Whoa.
Oh yeah!
Whoa. There we go.
What? My airplane! I broke my airplane.
I guess you're not good enough.
You know what? Then you should give me yours.
No, this is mine.
No, it's mine.
No, it's mine.
Mine. Mine. Mine.
Uh-oh, guys, look at the girls!
Oh no, we need to get them inside now.
Girls,
it's
stop,
mine.
stop!
Stop.
Come on, let's just go inside. Come on,
Yeah,
okay?
let's just go inside.
Wow! Guys, look at all the Lamborghinis!
Yeah. There's 5 of them. Who's gonna get which one? It doesn't matter. We're just gonna share. Yeah, great idea.
Let's go, guys.
Wow, princess gold. I want this one.
But I want this one.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Yes.
Oh no, guys, the girls are back at it again. What do we do?
I don't know. What should we do? I got an idea, everybody.
That's a great idea. Let's go.
No.
Yes.
No. Yes. So teach them to share.
That will. Good job, guys.
What happened? My hair is tied to your hair.
I don't want to be tied to you.
How did this happen?
I don't know.
Let's keep distance as much as possible.
Definitely.
Ah, that's perfect.
Let's play the game then. Let's go.
Oh yeah, let's go, guys. Let's
are
go,
you
let's
doing?
go, let's go.
Guys, stop. Not funny. We want to play another game.
How about we play some football?
I'm not sure about that.
That will never work.
I know a fun challenge. If you girls win, we'll help you untie.
Yeah, great idea, Jason.
All right then.
Let's try.
Whoa! Let's go, guys, come on. All right, guys, you ready to play some football?
Yeah.
I guess.
All right, let's make some teams. Boys versus girls.
Team boys. Team girls.
Get him. Oh, Leon wants to do.
Yeah. Sarah, we need to work together. Teamwork.
You're right. From now on, we're a team. High five.
Ready?
This is too easy.
Let's go.
Goal! Yay! We scored.
Uh-oh. Whoa, the girls scored. We can't let them win, guys.
Yeah, I'll be the goalie this time.
Teamwork. Let's go. You got this. Come on, Heidi. Come on, Heidi. Score. No, you got this.
Oh no.
Teamwork always works. Yay!
Impressive. Well, a deal's a deal. Time to untie.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, untie.
Yay! Finally, we're free. High five. Well, we worked together pretty well.
Yeah,
always works. Don't forget that, guys.
Will you guys now be able to share?
Yes, we learned our lesson.
Yes.
Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Guess we don't need this anymore. Today we got 2 kittens. And this is my kitten, Blinky.
And this is my kitten, Jackie.
Help! I'm stuck here. Help! Jason! Alex! Jason! Alex!
Jason, what is that sound?
I don't know, let's check it out.
Come on.
Help!
It's her, come on.
Help! I'm stuck!
Sarah, what happened?
You have to help me and get the keys.
Let's get the keys, Alex.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
I hope they get the keys.
This way, Alex.
Okay. Wow. Whoa, so cool. Come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Let's use the first color.
Yeah!
I got purple. Yay! Okay, let's see what's in purple. Wow! Let's see if we can find a key. Yes, I found the first key. Let's unlock lock number 1. I got the first key, Sarah.
Great job, Jason.
Let's see what's my first color. It's blue! Yes! Let's unveil blue! Whoa! Foam! Woo! Whoa! That's so cool! Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see! Key number 2! Time to unlock 2! Sarah, I got the second key!
Thank you, Alex.
What do I choose? What should I choose? I don't know. Oh, this one. Let's see what's inside. Water balloons. Let's go in. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Yeah!
Whoa! Let's not find the key. I found it. I found key number 3.
Thanks, Jason.
Let's see what's here. Oh, green cups. Let's see if there's a key. No key.
Let's see what's here. Whoa! I can't find any key.
Okay, what do I choose? Oh, this one looks cool. Yellow
Whoa!
puppets. Let's see if there's a key. But no key.
Let's see what's under purple. It's Orbeez. Let's see if we can find a key. There's no key.
Okay, what is here? Slime! Oh no! Slime! Ew, yucky slime! Oh, I found key number 4. Yes! I got key number 4.
Good job, Alex.
Let's open this one. Let's go find a key. No key.
Okay, let's see what's in here.
Yes.
Oh. Wow, cool. Oh, let's see. Oh. Nothing. Ah. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ducks.
Let's see what's in here. Wow, emojis. This is the hungry one. I got key number 5. Come on, Alex.
What? You got key number 5? Yes! Oh!
We got key number 5!
Yay!
Come on, guys. Help me.
Oh, we need to help her.
Oh yeah!
Open it, open it. Come on, yes!
Yay!
Yay!
Finally, I'm free again.
Amazing, Sarah!
That was difficult, but we did it.
Yes! Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe! And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!